The rise of generative AI, how it's shaping the future. In a world where technology evolves at lightning speed, one innovation stands poised to redefine our future. Welcome to the era of generative AI, a transformative force that is not just shaping our present but also crafting our tomorrow. Buckle up as we dive into the rise of generative AI and explore how it's poised to revolutionize every facet of our lives. Generative AI, a subset of artificial intelligence, is designed to create new content from existing data. Unlike traditional AI, which follows pre-programmed instructions, generative AI learns from vast amounts of information and generates outputs that are eerily human-like in their creativity and complexity. Generative AI, creating new content from data. At its core, generative AI relies on neural networks, particularly deep learning models like generative adversarial networks, GANs, and transformers. These models are trained on diverse datasets, ranging from text and images to music and video. GANs, introduced by Ian Goodfellow in 2014, consist of two neural networks, the generator and the discriminator, working in tandem to create increasingly realistic outputs. Generative adversarial networks, GANs. One of the most fascinating aspects of generative AI is its ability to create art, music, and literature. AI-generated art, powered by tools like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion, can produce images that rival human creativity. For instance, OpenAI's DALL E-2 can generate highly detailed images from textual descriptions, merging concepts in ways previously unimaginable. DALL E-2, AI-generated art, but the impact of generative AI extends far beyond the creative arts. In healthcare, AI is transforming diagnostics and treatment planning. Algorithms like AlphaFold, developed by DeepMind, are revolutionizing our understanding of protein folding, a critical aspect of drug discovery and disease treatment. AlphaFold, revolutionizing protein folding. Generative AI is also enhancing personalized medicine by analyzing patient data to predict responses to treatments and tailor interventions more precisely. Transportation is another frontier where generative AI is making waves. Autonomous vehicles leverage AI to interpret sensor data and make split-second decisions. Tesla's autopilot, Waymo's self-driving technology, and others are harnessing AI to build safer and more efficient transportation systems. Autonomous vehicles. AI in transportation, virtual assistants and chatbots have become ubiquitous, thanks to generative AI. Systems like GPT-4, developed by OpenAI, can engage in natural conversations, answer questions, and even offer personalized recommendations based on user preferences. GPT-4, advanced conversational AI. In the realm of cybersecurity, generative AI is a double-edged sword. While it can help in identifying and mitigating threats by generating complex threat models, it also poses risks as malicious actors use AI to create sophisticated cyber attacks and deepfakes. AI in cybersecurity. Opportunities and risks. Education is also being transformed. AI-driven platforms can provide personalized learning experiences, adapt to individual student needs, and even generate educational content tailored to different learning styles. This not only makes education more accessible but also more effective. AI in education, personalized learning. Yet, as we marvel at these advancements, it's crucial to address the ethical implications. Generative AI raises questions about privacy, bias, and the potential for misuse. Ensuring that these technologies are developed and deployed responsibly is paramount to harnessing their full potential for the benefit of humanity. Ethical considerations in AI development. The rise of generative AI represents both an exciting opportunity and a profound challenge. As we navigate this rapidly evolving landscape, we must remain vigilant and proactive, embracing the benefits while addressing the risks. The future is here, and it's being shaped by the very technologies we've dreamed of. The future is now. Embrace the AI revolution. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the rise of generative AI. Stay tuned, stay curious, and be ready for a future where the boundaries of possibility are constantly being redefined. Until next time.